In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do rapid fire repeater, which looks like this. This trick can be broken down into two parts, each of which is its own repeater. The first part looks like this, and the second part looks like this. As you'll see, each element is relatively simple, but it's difficult to get the flow right and make the trick look good. So to start this trick off, to start the first part, you're going to throw a trapeze, and then you're going to cross your throw hand over your non-throw hand and make sure that the string presses against your non-throw hand index finger. Then you're going to swing the yo-yo towards your non-throw side of your body and over your throw hand index finger, making sure to go in front of the strings and not hit any of the strings. Also, you want to make sure that the yo-yo doesn't reject when you do this element. So, from this position, then you're going to remove your index finger of your throw hand, and the yo-yo should drop. Then you're going to uncross your arms, and you notice you're in a trapeze with a twist at the bottom of it. From here, you're going to swing the yo-yo towards your throw side of your body and over again your throw hand index finger. You're also going to curl your index finger in a little bit. Then you're going to drop your index finger and you're back into your original trapeze position. That's the first half of the trick. The second part of this trick, continuing from the first step, you're going to do the pinky finger grab as taught in the 1.5 mount video. Then you're going to swing the yo-yo over your throw hand index finger, and you're going to put it onto the front string, mounting it and letting go of your non-throw hand. Then you're going to take your non-throw hand index finger and place it behind all the strings from the throw hand side, and you're going to pull up the yo-yo in front of the strings, making sure to avoid hitting any of the strings. As the yo-yo goes to its peak and you pull it down, you're going to want to place your non-throw hand index finger behind the strings again from the top and pull down on the yo-yo, and it'll bring it back to the initial position. If you're having trouble with grabbing the string fast enough on the way down, check out our video on redirects for some tips on how to get more hang time as the yo-yo is changing direction. Now you're going to pluck the back string, come off the 1.5 and land back onto trapeze. From here you can start the first half of the repeater again. So as you can tell, each element in this trick is very simple, but to master it, it takes a bit of practice. So what I would recommend is just start off doing the elements very slowly, and eventually with practice you can start to work up to getting the trick to speed and getting the trick to flow right. So if you're having trouble, some things to keep in mind are, when you're doing the first part of the repeater, you want to make sure that your non-throw hand is slightly behind your throw hand when you are swinging the yo-yo over your finger. That'll keep it from hitting any of the strings. Also true on the second half, except for this time, you're going to make sure that your throw hand is slightly behind your non-throw hand for the same reason. Also, after you do the first part of the second repeater, you want to make sure that the way that you're pulling down on the yo-yo is coming from the same direction that you sent it up. That way it doesn't twist up like this. If this happens though, you can swing it from the outside over your non-throw hand finger and you'll end up back into the same position. So once you get this trick down, you can try adding it into combos such as skin the gerbil. And right in the middle of skin the gerbil, you can just go directly into it. So experiment with it, have fun, and that was rapid fire repeater. This is an awareness test. How many unique string hits do I perform when I do this trick? The correct answer was 3, but did you see the moonwalking Chun?
Yes!
Oh, you did? This is awkward.